Here's something almost nobody talks about when they talk about AI. The thing that makes it physically possible to run at the scale it runs at is light. When you ask ChatGPT or Claude a question, that answer doesn't come from one chip in one place. It comes from thousands of chips talking to each other, passing massive amounts of data back and forth constantly at incredible speed. For years, those chips communicated using electrical signals through copper wires, and that worked fine until AI got big enough to make it not fine. See, electricity has a speed limit. It generates heat, it uses a ton of power, and as AI models have gotten larger, those limitations have become a serious problem. So, the industry has been quietly making a shift to silicon photonics. Instead of moving data with electrons, you move it with photons, light. Optical interconnects, basically fiber optic cables at the chip level, are faster, cooler, and far more energy efficient. This week, Nvidia committed $4 billion to the companies building this infrastructure. $4 billion. That's not a bet on the future. That's a statement about what AI needs right now to keep scaling. So for the parents, I think about this a lot. We talk to our kids about AI like it's software, like it's ideas floating in the cloud, but it's physical, it's built. It requires factories and materials and engineering breakthroughs that are happening right now. The AI your kids are growing up with exists because someone figured out how to move data at the speed of light. That's the world they're inheriting. And I think that's actually kind of amazing. I'm Jacob. This is Raising Digital Humans. See you next time.